Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see slice function in Python. The meaning of this function is very simple. It simply means to cut an object into slices or divide into several parts. The slice function returns a sliced object. A slice object is used to specify how to slice a sequence. You can specify where to start the slicing and where to end. In terms of usage, you can use the slice function with any iterable object in Python. It can be used with strings, list, tuples, set, bytes, or a range object. Let's have a look into an example. The syntax is the name of the function, and the function can take three parameters. First is the position from which you would like to start the slicing. Second one is the stop, the index at which you would like to stop the slicing. Here there is one point that needs to be noticed is that the index that you will precise where the slicing needs to be stopped, it always stops at index minus 1. And the last parameter that this function accepts is a step, which is an optional parameter. It simply means that if you want to print only an alternative element from the list, it can be precised as an increment between each index. Let's take an example. In the first example, I have created a variable slice1 and the function is slice. Starting position is at third index and the stop position is at sixth index, which eventually will be the stop index minus 1, that is fifth position. I have got three objects over here. First is a list, the second one is a string, and the last one is a tuple. Let's slice the list 1, text 1, and tuple 1 based on the function slice 1, which has got starting position at third and the stop position at sixth. In the output, you will see that the slice operation has sliced list 1, giving three elements b, 5, and 11. Let's have a look quickly. In list, the index starts at 0 position. The second element is at first position. The third element is at second position, and hence the fourth element, that is b, it is at the third position, and hence it is part of the output. The next element is 5, and the last element where the slice operation has stopped is 11, because the element 11 is being stored at fifth index. Coming back to the next output, the string Mademoiselle Pi is being sliced, and you will see that the alphabets E, M, and O is being part of the output, as with the same logic that we just had a look into for list. Same goes with the tuple. Three elements have got written from the tuple. The element which is at the third index and the element which stops at fifth index. Let's have a look into another example where I'm creating a second slice, a function slice, and I'm passing three parameters. First parameter is the position at which the slicing will start. The second parameter is the index at which the slicing will stop. And the third parameter, which specifies that I would like to have every second alternative element from each object. Let's print the slice to part of the list, text, and tuple. In the output in the last example, you will see the sliced output of the list 2. It has begun at fourth position, that is element B, followed by the next element, that is 11. You will notice that the next element immediately after B element is 5, but due to the third parameter that we have passed to the slice function, it is printing 11, which is an alternative element to B. And similarly, the alternative element to 11 is 19, and the alternative element to 19 is 23. With the same logic, it has printed the sliced object of text 2 and the tuple 2. I hope that you like the content. Thanks for watching the video. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to stay tuned. Thank you.